The graph of y equals f of x has the following features. The limit as x approaches infinity of the function is negative 3. The limit as x approaches negative infinity of the function is negative 2. The limit as x approaches negative 4 from the left is negative infinity, and the limit as x approaches negative 4 from the right is positive infinity. So let's start with the first clue and see what we can eliminate from the possibilities. So we have the limit as x goes to infinity being negative 3. So what that means is I would have to have as x goes to positive infinity, I would have to have a limit value of negative 3, which means I would have a horizontal asymptote at negative 3. Well, that's not the case for this first one, so we can eliminate that from the possibilities. In the second one, as I go to positive infinity on the x, those y values are then going to they should be going to negative 3 for the positive values, but they're actually going to negative 2. You'll notice on the left-hand side it is going to negative 3, but that doesn't match up with going to positive infinity and being negative 3, so this one gets eliminated as well. Now, in the next one, the horizontal asymptote is at negative 2, so that's not the case. We need it to be at negative 3 as we go to positive infinity, so there's another one out. This one has an asymptote as x goes to positive infinity of negative 4. That's not a possibility either. Let's check out the last one. So here we have as x goes to positive infinity, we finally have found a function that happens to be going to negative 3. So that one works out. Now we knocked off 4 of them, so it could be none of these. We better go through and check the rest of the possibilities and make sure it works out. All right, so we've got that clue done. Now the limit as x goes to negative infinity of the function is negative 2. So let's see what happens with this. So as we go to negative infinity, we need that horizontal asymptote to be at negative 2. And that does appear to be what's happening here, so that checks out as well. And lastly, the limit from the left at negative 4 is negative infinity. So here's negative 4. So I'll just put a vertical asymptote in there. As we approach the limit from the left-hand side, we need the function to be going to negative infinity. And that is the case. As we go to negative 4 from the right-hand side, we need it to be going to positive infinity. And that's the case as well. So this graph right here checks out. So that's our answer in this particular case.